Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to use QuickBooks. QuickBooks Self-Employed is a great tool for freelancers, sole traders, and self-employed professionals. It helps you track income and expenses and manage your invoices. Open QuickBooks, then follow the on-screen instructions to enter your business name, address, contact details, and tax information. Setting this up correctly ensures accurate tax tracking and reporting. Go to Transactions, then click Add Transactions and select Add Bank Account. Follow the steps to connect your bank. This method automatically syncs transactions, reducing manual work. If your bank doesn't support direct connections, download your bank statement, import them into QuickBooks. Once transactions are imported, they need to be reviewed and categorized correctly. Go to Transactions, use the Type drop-down or to filter Unreviewed and Uncategorized transactions. Assign the correct expense or income category. Just a tip, if you spot duplicate or incorrect transactions, you can exclude them instead of deleting them. Click the gear icon, then Create Rules, then create a rule. Define conditions such as all Uber transactions should be categorized as travel expenses. Save, and QuickBooks will auto-categorize similar transactions in the future. If your bank feed disconnects, refresh the connection, and go to Banking, select your bank, then refresh connection. QuickBooks lets you create and send invoices on desktop and mobile. To create an invoice, go to Invoices, click on New Invoice, then enter customer details and payment info. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.